Zimbabwe's main opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, he praised South Africa's recent elections as an exemplary model of free and fair elections, drawing comparison with Zimbabwe's disputed August 2023 elections. Sana bina mashoko atakwa na Nelson Chamisa, awanda Nelson Chamisa ayo hambo kinde ngikuti anotaurira pai noti anotaura mashoko awa ayo atenda funeral ya Murisi Zvizwai. Sana bina mashoko ataura noti bwa subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Nomonyo kwa Muchinzi speaking at the funeral work of opposition stalwart Triple C Senator and former Harare Central MP Murisi Zvizwai, Chamisa commended the Independent Electoral Commission IEC of South Africa for its professional and accountable approach, contrasting it with the inefficiencies and lack of transparency and demonstrated by Zimbabwe Electoral Commission SADC. Chamisa accused SADC of being incompetent and biased and called for its urgent disbandment, advocating for an independent electoral commission to uphold the integrity of future elections and restore public confidence in the electoral system. I must say that there are lessons to be learned. The key lesson being that institutions that are independent and professional are important for the stability and progress of nations. Zimbabwe ndimashoko atakana Nelson Chamisa chiti Zimbabwe Electoral Commission infona kupa kune IEC mu South Africa ndakuti yakabva yaseta pace as an example just after my elections in Zimbabwe yakabva yaseta pace kuti aiwa sitogona kuzviita tokunoita my elections are free and fair are transparent. Ndomashoko anoyati tagona Nelson Chamisa achipraise IEC. Saka chirudzeni mafungiro enyu munoti kudipa musoro pemashoko ake na comment section medu. Musanga no subscribe, like, channel, turn on the bell icon.